In order to make a cardigan, we have a wire which has to be put inside the braiding, which can bend and create that particular frame. Here I have two colors, red and green. Both of the threads are about 2 meters each. So you take this particular thread and you take the midpoint of each of them here. You need to make sure that they form a cross junction right at the midpoint. With this junction, what you ideally need to make sure is that this point is coming right in the center as you braid around it. But what you can do is you can form the first few braids, the first few knots without the wire, and then insert the wire. The knot we're going to do is something called as a Chinese knot. I think Chinese knot really represents a lot of curvy symmetric knots. They tend to seem complicated, the process seems complicated, but they're actually very simple. So here goes. You take the top one and fold it around. Then you take the right one and fold it on top of it. You take the bottom string and fold it up, and then you take the final string on the left and put it like this, except you put the last string through the loop and tighten this. Make sure that your knot is happening at the midpoint of what you selected, and all of the strings on each side are even. This is what you will get. So you've got this cute knot right here, and now we're just going to repeat the process. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pull all the strings from all the sides. And it will give you another knot right here. So it forms a checkerboard kind of a pattern on the inside. On the outside, it's going to form a ridged pattern, which I'll show you. Now, at this point, it would be a good time to take the wire and stick one end of the wire inside such that it stays stable. See? Then you continue repeating the process. The top string over the right one, the right string over the bottom one, the bottom string over the left one, and the top string and the left string over the top one. Now you just need to keep building on top of this. I think we've reached sufficient length. So at this point, the last 5 centimeters of the wire or so, I'm going to cut off. And I'm going to tie a knot right here with all 4 of these strings. Leaving aside about 2 centimeters at the end, you can cut the rest off. The last fringe, Brush it gently. It looks like a cute little tail at the end. And because you put the wire bent in here, you just have to fold it from here into the desired candy shape. And voila! Your candy cane macrame is done.